Please see the next question, sir. Please see the next question. The ratio. Now, in all the questions, whatever we have discussed till now, it was only of 2 containers or 2 vessels. Now we are taking a question where it is of 3 vessels. The ratio of milk to water in 3 containers of equal capacity. That means the capacity of all the 3 containers should be equal. So it is given as 3:2, 7:3 and 11:4 respectively. That means first container is 3:2, next is 7:3, next is 11:4. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 7 plus 3 is 10, 11 plus 4 is 15. But the question says equal capacity. 5, 10, 15, they are not equal. Make it as equal. The LCM of 5, 10, 15, it is nothing but 30. 5 into 6 is 30. These two values also multiply by 6. 10 into 3 is 30. These two values also multiply by 3. 15 into 2 is 30. 11 and 4 also multiply by 2. Rephrase. The question says the contents of 3 containers are mixed together. What is the ratio of milk and water after mixing? So it is 6 into 3:2, 18:12. 3 into 7:3, it is 21:9. 2 into 11:4, it is 22:8. If you want, check it out. 18 plus 12 is 18 plus 12 is 30. 21 plus 9 is 30. 22 plus 8 is also 30. They are having equal quantity, which is actually given in the question. The resultant is 18 plus 21 plus 22. It is nothing but 61. 12 plus 8 is 20 plus 9 is 29. Answer is 61:29. Answer is 61:29. 2 containers is what we have solved in the previous few questions. Now I am taking it for a 3 container. It really does not make any difference. Suppose, for example, see here. Suppose, same logic once again for your better understanding. Proportion of milk and water in 3 samples is 2:1, 3:2 and 5:3. So it is 2:1, 3:2, 5:3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3, 5 and 8. I should take the LCM. LCM of 3, 5 and 8. LCM of 3, 5 and 8. It is nothing but equal to 3 into 5 into 8. Because I told you that LCM of co-prime numbers 3, 5 and 8 all are co-primes. HCF of 3, 5 and 8 is 1. LCM of co-prime numbers is product of their numbers. That means 3 should become 3 into 5 into 8. Multiply by 5 into 8. 5 should become 5 into 3 into 8. Multiply by 3 into 8. 8 should become 3 into 5 into 8. Multiply by 3 into 5. I believe you are understanding. That means 5 into 8 I am multiplying 40 for the first value. 2:1:40. It is 80:40. Right? It is 80:40. Similarly, 3:2 I should multiply with 3 into 8, 24. 24 into 3, it is 72. 24 into 2, it is 45. Check it out if you want. 80 plus 40 is 120. 72 plus 48 is 120. 75 plus 45 is also 120. I am making it equal. Now, the resultant is what they are asking. Find the ratio of water and milk in the mixture. 80 plus 72 plus 75. It is 227. 40 plus 48 plus 45. It is 133. This is milk and water ratio. Question is asked for water and milk ratio. Reverse it. Milk and water, if it is 227:133, water and milk should be reversed. It is 133:227. This should be my answer. Please see the next question. Next question is also similar model, but the way they ask the question slightly differs, sir. That is where you should understand. That is exactly the reason you should understand how you need to take it forward. In 3 vessels, each of 39.6 liters capacity. That means all the 3 vessels are capacity of 39.6 liters. Now you will think that there is something that I need to do with this number called as 39.6 in this question, and unfortunately 39.6 is a decimal number, and if I use a decimal I will keep struggling in my simplifications. So you will think that it's a slightly difficult question. That is where the examiner will try to trap giving this kind of questions in the exam. Simple common sense. Each of 39.6 liters capacity means all are equal ratio. Every vessel is having the same capacity. The ratio is equal. That is the meaning. I should make the ratio equal. That is what I want. I am nowhere concerned about this number called as 39.6. Let this 39.6 be any other number. Suppose instead of 39.6, if they give some number in the examination paper as 52.5714286714 liters, I will not even bother about that number. It is a junk value for me. What you should understand is it's an equal ratio question. Simple. Once you understand that, problem becomes very easy. Mixture of milk and water is filled. The ratio of milk and water are 3, 1, 2, 3. 4 into 5 is 20. 20 into 7 is 140. That means 4 should become 4 into 5 into 7. Multiply by 5 into 7. 5 should become 4 into 5 into 7. Multiply by 4 into 7. 7 should become 4 into 5 into 7. Multiply by 4 into 5. 3:1 is multiplied with 35. So this becomes 3 into 35, 1 into 35. 2:3 is multiplied with 4 into 7, 28. So 2 into 28 is 56. 2 into 28 is 56. 3 into 28 is 84. 4:3 is multiplied with 20. 4 into 5 is 20. 4 into 20 is 80. 3 into 20 is 60. Check it out. They are of equal ratio. 105:35 is 140. Plus 35 is 140 in fact. 56 plus 84 is 140. 80 plus 60 is 140. Sir, should I not convert it back to 39.6? No, it is not required. The meaning of that statement is that they are saying that all should be equal. Simple. Don't complicate, sir. The final ratio is 105 plus 56 plus 80. It is 241. 35 plus 84 plus 60. It is 179. This should be my final answer.